Erizooba akakiiko karukura eby'obururu kahisa izooba erya kabiri karukamyabo abashikize birukwetagisa okwesimbaho okayahayanira okwebembera ihanga eri aha rushahina nandara amafabi owa FDC yahika hari ofisi z'akakiiko ak'eby'obururu okuhamibwa kandi yabashendekerezibwe Patrick Amuriat. Omukugambaho n'abanyamakuru yashobora kwa rukwenda kuteeka amaani omu by'obuhingi n'oburiisa.
We need to invest in the productive sectors instead of investing in non-productive sectors. This country, we have the best climate which can grow anything. Agriculture is our backbone. I can tell you we can even grow stones and the people will make money. Our problem we have, our country does not look at, our leaders does not look at a farmer, what he should get out of his produce. That's why many farmers have abandoned cotton, have abandoned coffee, have abandoned tea, have abandoned sugarcane.
General Mugisha Muntu owa Alliance for National Transformation nawe yahamibwa kandi yagambe byarukwenda kukwatisa amaani.
Predict the logic that the human resource factor is the central core in a development process. So even when we look at education, quality healthcare services, agriculture for purpose of food security and nutrition as facilitating factors to that core, the human being.
Robert Kyagulanyi nawe aharishaha munana yataha amashendekerezibwa mukazi we Babi Kyagulanyi kandi nawe bwanyuma yo kuhamibwa yashobora byarukwenda kukora.
We are going to use this election to protest legally. We are going to use this election to protest constitutionally, and we are going to use this election to protest non-violently. We must mobilize the people of Uganda to come out and vote in very, very large numbers. Numbers too big to rig. We must lay different strategies and make different plans to ensure that we, the people of Uganda, get our freedom in this season.
Ondijo wahamibwa ni Mubarak Munyagwa wa Common Man's Party kandi ogu nawe yashobora byarukwenda kutandikiraho.
That equity be served to all Ugandans. Equity, equality, justice matters. Our symbol is a symbol of a silver platter, commonly known as Orsania, the most beautiful symbol of all the symbols in this race. It is a symbol of equity, symbol of equality. It is a symbol that will fight greed.
Frank Bulira nwe yashembayo kuhandikwa okurigirira Justice Simon byabakama urukura kakiikaka yashobora ngu okamubwa okwabarukwenda kwesimbaho kwahendera Erizooba yashaba barabamu okurebeka ngu bakoratira amateeka n'obutabaganisa mu abanya-Uganda okurigirira hangenderwa y'akakiiko ak'eby'obururu okuronda karuru ahantebe y'obwa president nuko kutandika hari okubanza ebirabiro na mwenda eby'okwezi oku gashakwa Adolf Ayoreka aha Watayari West.